Did you see his face? Like, he went
Yeah,
up?
like all
Damien,
hopeful.
Are you gonna win the lotto? Are we winning the lotto? Damien,
Are we gonna win the Mega Millions?
are we gonna win the Mega Millions?
Yeah. We're gonna win it?
Are we gonna win? Yes? We're winning? Damien, are we gonna win? Are we gonna win, Damien? Are we gonna win?
Here comes Kaylee.
Oh no. Kaylee, are we gonna win? Damien, are we gonna win? Let me know. Yes or no? Sounds like a yes.
It sounded like a yes if you just give me the damn treat. Alright, I'm done recording. Bye, Damien. Bye, buddy.